everyone. It's Devin from the business development team here at Near Foundation. It's my pleasure to once again introduce a few remarkable partners that our BD team has recently invested in. With their innovative solutions and shared vision, they're set to contribute significantly to the growth and development of this ecosystem. Before we extend a warm welcome to Round, let's hear from Dylan about how we introduce the BOS to our BD partners. Thanks, Dylan.
Awesome. Thank you, Devin. So hi, everyone. If I haven't got the chance to meet you yet, I am Dylan, and I'm with the success team here at Near Foundation. So real quickly, the success team, blockchain success team, sits within the business development team. So as Devin mentioned, soon we'll hear from partners that the BD team was excited about bringing into the ecosystem, and they worked on getting that internal buy-in, getting the contract signed, and as those teams start to pivot towards press releases and marketing and how do we actually integrate with the Near protocol, that is where the blockchain success team comes into play. So we're kind of the belly button to the organization for our BD partners, handling that post-sales relationship. And that could look anything like, what does marketing support look like? Or how can I get amplified in front of more backers, that work within the Near ecosystem? And importantly is, what is meta transactions? What are relayers? What does this SDK, how does that work and how do I implement it? And recently it's been, all right, what's fast auth? What is KeyPalm? How does a decentralized front end apply to me and my business use case? So on the success team, we've taken it, upon ourselves to make sure that our existing BD partners are well educated about this. So, you heard about a lot that's going on within the ecosystem in terms of educating people about BOS. Now we're kind of zooming in to specifically what we're doing with our business development partners. So over the last month or so, we've had a handful of one-on-one sessions with our key NFBD accounts. That's led by Vic. We've also led multiple internal cross-functional workshops with our marketing team, with Pagoda, with the Korea Hub, and as well as our BD team to make sure that everyone is selling this technology in the same way and in a standard way. We've done hands-on demo workshops where we've seen, our BD team members actually building components on the BOS and seeing what it's like to build a brand new, NFT marketplace in minutes, right? Using some of our existing partners' components and gateways that they've built. We've also had external partner workshops. So we held 2 sessions recently in May that we had about 90 plus attendees. And a lot of our key accounts and backers, as well as our development shops, were included in that to discuss. That was Alton leading a discussion on what are these new technologies and how can you implement it into your business model. We've also led a handful of in-person workshops. So Blockspit, as well as ETH Belgrade, which was with Vic and the Near Balkans Hub. And additionally, we identified a few key accounts for different vertical specific proofs of concept that was kind of alluded to earlier by Alex. And then lastly, we've created some one-pagers on FastAuth, KeyPalm, and decentralized front ends and gateways for internal use to make sure that our team is completely enabled to be able to sell this to partners and really help them take advantage of the new technology that Pagoda has been releasing lately. So that's all from me. I'll hand it off to Alton and the Round team.